Loom efficiency, Unit 4. Process control in loom shed. Process control in loom shed consists of two parts: increasing machine productivity, improving quality, or reducing defects. Control of the productivity can be done with controlling nominal loom speed close to currently set standards, ensuring that loss of speed through belt slippage is minimum. Control loss of loom efficiency by minimizing A. Loom stoppage rate through correct maintenance. B. Control of downtime of loom through corrective action on the basis of data collected by snap reading. Factors affecting loom efficiency. Various factors that affect the loom shed efficiency are technical, first one; human, second one; third one, organizational. Human means related to weaver skill and work methods. Loom efficiency. Relating the three factors, the technical and human factors have a very basic relationship with loom efficiency. The relationship is, as you see, E is equal to capital P by NAT, where P is equal to operative efficiency, N is equal to number of machines per operative, E is equal to efficiency, X is equal to service factor, and is equal to the average time taken to clear the stops in unit running time of a machine, and equals at A is equal to average number of stops per unit running time of a machine. T is equal to average time to clear a stop including walking time. How to maximize loom efficiency? This has been the goal of all the owners of the looms and weaving machineries. How to maximize loom efficiency? How do we increase the loom efficiency? First one, the stoppage rate should be low. The weaver should be trained so that he takes the minimum possible time for clearing a stop. The operative efficiency should not fall below the optimum level. Loom allocation should be optimum. Loss of efficiency. Where do we lose the efficiency while running a loom? Loss of efficiency is the burning issue in the textile industry and especially in the weaving departments. Factors which affect loom performance can be conveniently grouped into three major categories. A. Technical factors, machine condition and settings which are responsible for warp and weft breakages. B. Human related factors such as weaver skill, work method and motivation. C. Organizational factors such as designing and implementation of production plans, etc. In this study, an attempt has been made to improve the loom shed efficiency by optimizing the machine settings which lead to increasing the warp and weft breakages. Thank you.